Ansible concepts. What is Ansible? Ansible is a powerful automation tool. It allows you to manage a large number of hosts in parallel. It allows you to manage configurations with templates, install packages, stop and start services, and do just about anything else you could possibly want to do with a server or a managed device. It can make complex, tedious projects simple and easy. Ansible is declarative. This means that you don't tell Ansible what to do, you describe the desired state that you want, and Ansible will make the changes needed to reach that state. Basically, you can run it from anywhere. Ansible can be run from almost anywhere. It can be run from a centralized server or from a laptop. Basically, the node you run it from is called the control node. Now, that confuses a lot of people. This is really just the machine that you run Ansible commands on. So, could be a centralized server, could be your laptop, could be multiple people running from different laptops. It doesn't matter. Ansible software is installed here on the control node, and it's basically just a simple package, just quick, easy install, and it doesn't need to run as a server. It just provides a simple CLI. It's just a simple package you install on the control node only. Now, you don't install it on the managed nodes. It's agentless. So the managed node would be one of the systems or hosts that you're managing. Now, for these are just the hosts that you connect to and manage. Don't need an agent, and you use SSH connectivity and Python to run modules. So Ansible will use SSH to connect to these remote systems in parallel and launch Ansible modules that are basically based on Python and only need Python as a dependency. Ansible is Python based. This is great if you're already working in a Python based environment. So if you work with a lot of Python stuff, it's convenient to also be working with yet another Python based tool. Ansible is text-based. So playbooks and other files are all text-based and easy to manage with Git for revision control. Ansible has no GUI. Now, technically there are GUIs you can use with Ansible, but Ansible itself does not come with a GUI. Ansible itself is a very simple and powerful tool to work with, but no GUI. If you want a GUI, there are GUI options out there like Tower from Red Hat, AWX, basically the free version of Tower. There's Semaphore, Rundeck, and plenty of others. Ansible itself is very simple. Things only start to become more complicated once you start looking at different GUIs and platforms. Now, Red Hat. Ansible is the foundation of Red Hat's automation platform, but it's still available as an open source project, and you don't need to pay for anything from Red Hat or have anything to do with their project if you don't want to. But if you do want an enterprise project, they're basically Red Hat kind of owns Ansible, and they based their enterprise automation platform on Ansible. So that's there if you want it, but you don't need it. And if you want to stay all open source, you can. And that's about it. That's what Ansible is. Remember, check the link in the description for commands and examples. Hopefully this was useful. Now, this video is part of a series, so make sure you check out the other videos in this playlist if you want to learn everything. We also put out a ton of other great tech-related content, including Linux and Windows stuff, hardware, software, coding, electronics, Raspberry Pi stuff, robots, 3D printing, networking, and a ton of other stuff. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. It'll make your feed that much more interesting. Also, make sure you hit the bell icon so you actually get a notification when new videos come out. And that's it for today. So, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.